Okay, I'm here with my 2018 Ram. I just want to do a little walk around video of it and show you what all I did to this truck since I have it. I did other videos of the Flowmaster Outlaw exhaust system. One of the other things I did was get these Moto Metal wheels. They are in the factory size, but I think they look better than the factory chrome wheels that were on. And I also put some off-road tires on it. They're called Canati Trail Hogs. They actually have a snow rating, but you can run them year-round because they're like an all-terrain tire. They're a lot better than the factory all-seasons that we're on. I put a 3-inch rough country lift kit on this truck, and after I did that, it's supposed to give you 3 inches of lift in the front and 1 inch in the rear. And I wasn't happy with the way the truck was sitting, so I actually pulled the 1-inch spacers out of the rear and stuck 2 inches in, and I think the truck sits a lot better now. The way it was before, the rear end was actually a 1/4 of an inch lower than the front when I measured the distance between the tires and the wheel well openings. So the way it is now, the truck actually has about 3/4 of an inch of rake with those 2-inch rear spacers in there. I'll let you see the front of it.